Hey guys, today we'll be performing crankshaft variation relearn on a GM vehicle. Plug in the OBD2 tool, ignition on, and click on read DTC. Make sure there isn't any other DTCs than P0315. Start the engine. You have to make sure the engine is on operational temperature. Once the vehicle reaches operational temperature, click on Crankshaft Relearn. With your left foot, press on the brake pedal, do not let go, and press OK. Keep your foot on the brake pedal. With your other foot, press on the gas pedal, full throttle, until it cuts off right there. Now turn off the ignition for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, turn the ignition back on and clear your DTCs.